Section 3 only needs to be filled out for full highway closures. Select Yes if all lanes in one or both directions of a highway will be closed as a result of the work. Otherwise, select No and proceed to the next section. If you have an authorized detour route, indicate Yes and provide the route details as well as the name of the official authorizing the route. If a non-ODOT contractor is filling out the form and doesn't yet have the detour information, they can select No initially. However, the ODOT project manager is expected to update the form with this information before submitting for approval. Keep in mind that detour routes need to be vetted for freight restrictions and other factors such as emergency services, hazardous materials, and other projects that might be using the route. Refer to Chapter 4 in the Mobility Procedure Manual for information on selecting and evaluating detour routes. And finally, indicate if the detour is approved for annual oversized loads. This can be difficult to determine as there are many factors to consider, so don't hesitate to contact the mobility team for help if you're not sure. After completing Section 3, you can skip ahead to Section 5. A separate restriction notice will need to be completed if you have lane closures or width restrictions not related to the full highway closure.